OpenText Content Suite can transform an organization's content into a thriving repository ecosystem, teeming with life and intelligence. As entries are organized and accessed with ease, this piece of your content services platform expands the capabilities of your business and the depths of your decision making. As the complexity of your content stack increases and events like asset downtime and unauthorized activity threaten to upset operations, security, or customer experience, Reveille will be there to calm the chaos. Let's walk through an example that starts with receiving an alert from Reveille advising of an issue. Reveille provides a high-level overview of your entire content platform and how it and your users are behaving. From here, we will drill down to determine what is causing the issue by looking at various instance, errors, and metrics. We review resource consumption by observing historical performance and usage. Our initial concern is the impact to user search experience. By inspecting Content Suite real user transactions, we see that not only has user search performance been affected, there is also some unusual end user activity. A large number of documents have been exported from the system outside working hours. This user activity could be indicative of a risk or compliance problem. As we investigate performance compared to baseline service levels, a trend becomes visible. Based on analysis from information provided by Reveille, we know what is causing the current search issue, as it is clear that the Content Suite pending index counts have grown rapidly, and the indexing service is not processing content in a timely manner. To resolve this, the Content Suite's DCS index server should have more memory to handle increased user search growth and increased activity. The workaround is to restart the Content Suite DCS indexing server and open an internal ticket requesting more memory for the index server machines. Reveille automatically creates a ticket in the help desk system. Since the issue might happen again before the ticket is handled, we should automate the restart process by creating a job to restart the Content Suite DCS server. This can be automatic or can require authorization via email. It can also be scheduled to run outside working hours. Getting this level of visibility and control is easy with Reveille. Configuration is a simple, intuitive process. Let's look at how Reveille was configured. After selecting the appropriate options, Reveille interrogates the Content Suite system and implements the required Reveille configuration. When the automated job is run, the issue is resolved and this can be seen on the dashboard. A notification email can also be sent. Reveille monitors and tracks content platform performance, user behavior, and operations. Based on organizational requirements, it can decide how to manage these systems and provide notification of relevant issues when they arise. It can then do what is required to keep the system running smoothly and securely. Reveille can be deployed in days using automated setup, discovery, and configuration, delivering ROI from day one. Organizations rely on the content service platform. Reveille optimizes their system and investment. To learn how all of this can be deployed in days, in any environment, visit reveillesoftware.com or contact us today. Thank you for your time.